What's going on? We are going to do a quick little test of the low temperature camera on the Fimi Mini 3. It is currently 46 degrees Fahrenheit or 8 degrees Celsius, which means we are under the threshold for the cold weather issues that the Fimi Mini 3 has had in the past. When I bought mine, I saw in the listing, I got it from their Amazon store, that they claim to have fixed the issue. So I guess we'll find out. We're recording a normal video in 4K 30 FPS. And we will use the sport mode because why wouldn't we? Alright, so here we are. 210 feet up, we'll go a little higher. Nice little sunrise for you. And just flying around, I would say the image quality is exceptional. And no issues to be reported here. It's a little bit hard to tell sometimes on the actual drone camera feed that I'm flying on, because it is reduced quality obviously for the transmission and whatnot, and a bit of signal lag there. There's a lot of trees and stuff in front of me, so it's sort of an awkward spot to fly from. Lights and sirens over there. But I really do think that they have fixed the low temperature issues that they had with it. If you're thinking of getting into drones, I would absolutely recommend this one. For a first drone, it's about $300 US, maybe a little bit more. As far as I can see, it's my first drone, so I don't have the best insight, but it seems to be nearly as good as the DJI options, like the DJI Mini 3, with more features, lower price. Maybe the support's not as good, but I had to contact them early on and they were great, so I really can't see a downside to this little drone. Fast. Normally in sport mode, I'll get somewhere around 35 to 40 miles an hour. Come back this way, got a bit of a wind behind us maybe. No, looks like we're doing 30, there you go, a bit faster, 37, 38-ish. It's a wonderful, wonderful little thing. And you can get some great shots with them. They're great fun to fly around, if that's what you're into. That's what I got into it originally for. The return home feature is excellent. Landing pad, as long as you don't have any objects around it, is excellent. All in all, I can't really think of any complaints that I have about it. It's a nice little drone. Amazing footage. Put it into cinematic, which I missed twice. There we go. Put in cinematic. Cinematic mode, the speed is reduced, but that's how you get all these nice cinematic shots where it's just smooth and neat and wonderful. Normal mode, a little bit faster. And then if we go sport, it just goes. Yeah, the image quality seems to be excellent as far as I can see. I would throw on the low light mode, but you can't do it while recording, and honestly, probably with the height we're at, probably not quite dark enough for it. Usually the app will try to ask you to put it on, so if it's not, you're usually fine. But with that, I am going to put on a time lapse in a moment that shows, I think it's a 60-minute time lapse at 2-second intervals of a nice sunrise for you. And thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been informative, and I hope it helps you make a decision if you're looking into buying a drone. Make sure if you buy it on Amazon, check the listing, make sure that your low temperature camera issue is mentioned as being fixed, and it looks like it's a wonderful little thing, especially for the price, and you cannot go wrong with that. What's going on over here? We should probably not go find out. Thanks again for watching though. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please like, comment and subscribe. It does help the channel out. We are trying to get something going here. Lots of cars, boats, planes, drones, whatever you can think of with a remote control is fun. And so if you're interested in that, then stick around for more. Till next time, this is Scruff_37 with the RC Shed. Have a good one.